Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping back into the golden era of American trucks to check out one of Ford's most iconic and rugged workhorses, the 1978 Ford F-250 pickup. This truck wasn't just built to drive, it was built to endure. From farm fields to off-road trails, the F-250 proved why Ford's slogan, "Built Tough," wasn't just a catchphrase, it was a legacy. Exterior. So let's dive in and explore its exterior, interior, performance, and why the 1978 F-250 still stands tall among classic trucks today. Starting with the exterior, the 1978 Ford F-250 screams old-school muscle. It belongs to the sixth generation of Ford's F-Series, and right away you can see that boxy, bold design that defined late 70s American pickups. The front end features that massive chrome grille, flanked by square headlights that were new for the time. The hood is long and flat, giving it that powerful stance, while the body lines are clean, simple, and purely functional. This model's large bed, thick steel bumpers, and heavy-duty suspension made it perfect for hauling serious loads. Whether you see it in a faded farm paint job or fully restored with glossy colors, the F-250 still commands respect wherever it rolls. And of course, that Ford badge front and center, it's not just a logo, it's a statement. Interior. Moving inside, the interior of the 1978 Ford F-250 is straightforward but surprisingly comfortable for its time. Climb up into the cab and you're greeted by a wide bench seat covered in durable vinyl or cloth, built to take years of hard use. The dash is all metal, with large, easy-to-read gauges and those classic pull-style knobs for the climate and lights. There's no digital screens or fancy buttons here, just pure mechanical simplicity. The large steering wheel gives you real control, and depending on the trim, you might find features like air conditioning, an AM/FM radio, or even optional power steering. It's a no-nonsense cabin that reminds you this truck was built for work, not luxury, yet it still has that charm and authenticity modern trucks can't quite replicate. Performance. Now let's talk performance, the heart and soul of the F-250. Under the hood, you had several engine options, the most popular being the 351 Windsor V8, the 400 cubic inch V8, and the beastly 460 cubic inch 7.5-liter V8 for maximum power. These engines were paired with either a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission. The 1978 F-250 was available in both two-wheel and four-wheel drive, with the 4x4 versions earning serious respect from off-road enthusiasts. With its solid front axle, heavy-duty Dana 60 rear, and tall ride height, the F-250 could handle rough terrain, mud, and towing tasks like a true champion. Horsepower varied by engine, but the 460 V8 delivered over 240 horsepower and torque that could pull nearly anything you hooked behind it. And that classic V8 rumble, it's the kind of sound that makes you fall in love with driving all over again. So what makes the 1978 Ford F-250 pickup so special today? It's more than a truck, it's a symbol of America's hardworking spirit. Built from steel, powered by raw V8 muscle, and designed to last a lifetime, the 78 F-250 represents an era when trucks were simple, honest, and incredibly tough. Collectors and restorers love it for its reliability, vintage look, and timeless design. Whether you're driving it, restoring it, or just admiring it, this Ford is a piece of history that still holds its ground nearly 5 decades later. If you ever get a chance to sit behind the wheel of one, don't hesitate, it's not just a drive, it's an experience. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1978 Ford F-250, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car stories, and let me know in the comments, which vintage truck should we cover next. Until next time, keep the engines roaring and the classics rolling.